So when you walk up to the squat rack, you want the barbell holders to be just a hair shorter than your shoulders. So these are a little too high for me. I'm going to adjust them one notch down and then I'll recheck and yep, they are better now. Most barbells will have these little lines on the sides, and that can be helpful to know that you're in the center. So for this barbell, there's also these shiny spots in the middle, so I know that's the middle right there, and these little lines are a nice spot to put my hands. It's going to be different based on your height, where exactly these go, but just use them as reference points to help you set up correctly on the bar. Center of the bar, finger spots. Underneath the bar, pop those elbows back, find the meaty part of your traps to put the bar on. So we don't want to go right on the neck or right on the spine here. It's a little bit lower where those muscles are. The scruff of your neck, if you will. Okay. And then it's up to you if you want to hold on tight or have a loose grip, whatever you feel comfortable with. You might have your elbows straight at your sides, or it might feel better to have them popped back behind you. That can pop out those muscles on your upper back a little bit more, make the bar a little more comfy. And then from here, we're just doing a squat. All the same mechanics of our usual squat apply. Inhale down, exhale on the way up, push the floor away with your feet. All the way into the rack, set the bar down safely. Okay, here's another view from the side. So get under the barbell, press yourself up, lift the bar out of the rack, walk backwards, find your setup. From here, inhale down, exhale up. Think about pushing the floor away as you stand up. Really stick your tailbone down and back behind you, reach far behind you. Stay strong through the core. If you're lucky enough to have one of these bars at your gym, these are kind of nice too for getting the hang of back squat, because you get to hold the weight in front of you instead of behind you. So very similar setup, except now I'm holding here. So it can feel a little nicer on the arms, the shoulders, and then since it's padded, it's a little more comfy on your back too. But otherwise, you're still doing a back squat. All the weight is behind you on your back. Still loading the spine and the hips. So all the benefits of a back squat. With these, you just want to make sure you're not letting it pull you down. So use these handles, push them up a tiny bit. Think elbows right in front of your chest. So you're still strong and steady through here versus just letting the bar hang out on your back. If it's not loaded, you can do that, but once you start putting plates on, that won't be good.